Because you were born different, men will fear you, try to drive you away.
I am Conor McLeod. And I am immortal.
Here we are, born to be kings. We're the princes of the universe.
You always be